Hey, Randal Smalls, the BetterLife Coach, with a 2-minute tune-up for you. It's been said that fear, the acronym that appropriately fits it, is false evidence appearing real. False evidence appearing real. One of the most limiting, if not at the top of the list, most limiting beliefs, limiting feelings, limiting emotions is fear. Keeping us in a place of apprehension and anxiety and stress about something that may in fact be false. They say that about 90%, 92% to be exact, is what I've read over and over again. 92% of the things that we worry about never happen. 92% of things that we fear never happen. I wonder how creative, I wonder how peaceful, I wonder how okay we could be if we were able to reclaim 92% of that wonderful gray matter working up there in between your ears. The ability to take the false evidence that appears real and utilize it to imagine things that are possible. Don't think about the impossible. Don't think about, oh, it'll never happen. Oh my God, and this, oh my gosh, I'm freaked out. Don't freak out. Faith up. I refuse fear, and I walk by faith, and I will be better.